You got it, man? I got it, let's go!
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video from the Fam Jammers, and today we have something amazing, a fun-filled video for you guys. So basically what we're going to be doing today, as you can see, is some crazy challenges. So challenge number one, you have to be sitting down on the chair and toss these things into the center of these other things over here. I don't even know what to call them, but you have to toss it into there, and that item unlocks the next item. And what you do is you grab one of these discs over here and you try to put it on the first one. And then once you get it on the first one, you take it off of there, come back and throw it to the second one, third, and all the way until you're done. That unlocks the frisbee. Now the frisbee, you have to toss it into the center of the cam slam right over there, the can slam. And in there, come on over here, you unlock all of the bullets to the two guns that are here. Now once you've unlocked those, you bring the bullets right back over here and you stand behind the chair and try to shoot the targets that are right there, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or you can shoot them into the 25, 50, 75, or 50 and try to get as much points as possible. Now once you've done that and you've knocked down either 4 of the targets or shot into 4 of the circles over there, you're going to come over here, and what you're going to do here is you're going to take your Nerf gun and shoot upwards. Now when you shoot upwards, the crazy thing about it is you have to land in this circle here, and the outside part is 100 points, this middle part is 700 points, and the center is the jackpot of it all, and it's 1,000 points.
Woo,
so basically, the first one to reach 1,000 points is the winner of the game. So it's gonna be me against Jalen fighting off in this Nerf / toss frisbee battle. Let's call it the Nerf gun battle, Nerf gun hype battle. Let's go. Go. Oh, I unlocked it.
Woo! Dang it!
Oh my gosh, they ended. Ah! You made it?
Yes.
No, that's your fire. No. Oh gosh! The wind is like. Oh! Let's go! Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Oh! You got it in?
No.
You got it.
You got it, man? I got it, let's go!
No, you shot to the side. Oh! Oh! Oh!
What the heck?
Oh! Ah, man.
Whoa! You made. Oh!
Nope. Dang, goes far.
All right, guys, we're gonna call this a draw because we both got it into the aims at the same time, and literally the wind is so bad right now that we can't get it on the spot. We'll see you guys on the next one. If you guys enjoyed this, slap the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe because 70% of you guys are not subscribing. You're watching. If you're already watching, hit the subscribe button. Let's grow together. Peace. Honestly, I wanna know